What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO Cash Card or BDO Pay Card. So kung hindi nyo alam guys, dating cash card, ngayon nagiging pay card na siya. Binago na ni BDO, kumbaga the BDO Pay Card is the newer upgraded version replacing the older BDO Cash Card, offering enhanced digital features like linking to BDO Pay app for scan to pay, bill payments, and money transfer, while still providing free BDO ATM withdrawals. So pag-uusapan muna natin guys yung difference and advantages ng BDO Pay Card and BDO Cash Card. Sa BDO Pay Card guys is linked to a BDO basic account, no maintaining balance, and integrates with BDO Pay app for QR payments, scan to pay, bill payments, and sending and requesting money. While BDO Cash Card naman, a simpler prepaid card for cash withdrawals and basic debit payments, but lacks the app-based digital features of the Pay Card. Kaya naman guys, pinapa-upgrade or pinapalipat na ni BDO ngayon yung mga clients nila sa Cash Card para malipat na sila ngayon sa BDO Pay Card. Kasi enhanced na yung security niya at saka yung advantages niya o yung features and benefits. Pag-uusapan natin guys, yung keys and benefits or di kaya yung features niya rin. Kung hanggang ano nga ba yung purpose nito, paano natin siya gagamitin, at the same time, paano nga ba magkaroon or magpapalit ng BDO Cash Card, yung replacement niya, at saka kung paano nga ba tayo magkaroon. At the same time, yung usage limits niya. Kasi hindi siya tulad ng debit card or regular debit cards na may ibang level na function. Ito siya, limited lang kasi yung usage neto. Hindi siya tulad ni debit card talaga. Pero bago yan, nais mo na kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, at yung itsura ng yung sinasabi kong BDO Cash Card, yan po yung itsura niya. Kung hindi nyo pa alam, kung curious lang kayo kung ano yung BDO Cash Card, yan po yun, yung tinutukoy ko. A BDO Cash Card is a reloadable prepaid card for ATM withdrawals and shopping, acting like a debit card without needing a full deposit account. So when we say like debit card, kasi it works like a debit card, guys. But the thing is, it is reloadable. Hindi siya tulad ng debit card na nakalink siya sa BDO savings account natin. Hindi nag-i-interest yung pera dito guys, to be honest. Ito ay reloadable prepaid card lang. So like for example, yung card number niya mismo, yun yung magiging account number niya. Hindi tulad sa debit card na yung card number niya is hindi yun yung account number. Yung magiging account number ng debit card na yun is yung savings account number ninyo. So sana na-gets ninyo. Reloadable lang siya. Yung card number, yun na mismo yung magiging account number niya. But it's now largely transitioning to the BDO Pay Card. So ngayon, parang nagiging BDO Pay Card na siya. Parang nililipat na siya. Linked to a free, no balance BDO basic account. So you don't need, parang maintaining balance. Like, okay, naubusan siya. It's okay lang. Then, pag gamitin nyo ulit, i-reload nyo lang siya ulit. Offering app integration, BDO Pay app for bills, payments, money transfers, and enhanced features accessible via BDO branches with a valid ID for replacement or new applicants with limits around 50,000 pesos daily for transactions. So may limit lang yung magiging transactions niya, which is amounting to 50,000 pesos only. Then yan, let's talk about key features and transitions. Prepaid and reloadable. So tulad ng sabi ko, prepaid and reloadable siya. Load money onto it to use for purchases and withdrawals. So ngayon, and every time nakakailanganin nyo siya, gagamitin nyo siya pang shopping, i-reload nyo lang siya. Alam mo yung beep card sa MRT? Parang ganun yung feature niya. Reloadable siya. BDO Pay Card. The current version links to a BDO basic account. No initial deposit, maintaining balance. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina. Via the BDO Pay app, allowing digital payments, bill payments, and money transfers. ATM and POS use. So, pwede siyang gamitin pambayad like bibili kayo sa supermarket, SM department store, or any merchant or tindahan na tumatanggap ng card payment. Use it to withdraw cash at ATMs, BDO and non-BDO with fees. So kapag hindi siya sa BDO machine, of course, like debit card, may additional siyang service charge which is minimal lang naman na 16 pesos, 18 pesos, depende siya sa machine. And pay at stores, PIN signature contactless. So via PIN, kasi it works like a debit card and it requires PIN in every transactions. Kasi para siyang debit card. But the thing is, reloadable lang siya. Transition. Existing cash cards with balances may need to be consumed and replaced with pay card by March 31, 2025. So ngayon, according to BDO, so yung cash cards, guys, is nagiging transition na siya into a pay card. Hindi na siya cash card. Then ngayon, how to get or replace? Apply for a basic account, open online via the BDO Pay app or at a BDO branch. Pwede rin siya via BDO Pay application lang or if you want, you can visit personally sa any BDO branch. Visit a branch. Get your physical BDO Pay card, often free if replacing a cash card with a valid ID. So ngayon, pupunta kayo ng branch, kukuha kayo ng physical card or ng BDO Pay card. Ang dating cash card ito ni BDO, guys, nagiging pay card na siya. Usage limits. Of course, tulad na sabi ko kanina, hindi siya tulad ng debit card, may limits yung kagamitan nito. ATM withdrawal up to 50,000 pesos daily, 10,000 pesos per transactions. POS purchase, PIN or with signature is 50,000 a day lang. Dito tulad sa BDO debit card, guys, is up to 100,000 siya. Contactless is up to 2,000 pesos a day lamang siya. For more specific details on fees, limits, and features, visit BDO Cash Card Details page or a BDO Pay Card page on BDO website. So, yun, guys. So, yung kaibahan naman natin, guys, itong BDO Cash Card is hindi siya pwedeng gamitin pang online shopping. Mangyayari lang ito, guys. Ingatan nyo pa rin, yung mangyayari is kailangan nyo pa rin siya ingatan. Kasi, halimbawa, nawala or ninakaw yung cash card na yon or yung BDO Pay Card na yon. So ngayon, kapag alam yung PIN ng kumuha, maaari niya mag-withdraw yung pera na laman noon. Pwede siya mag-balance sa BDO machine, then makikita niya kung magkano, then pwede niyang withdrawin yun. Sayang naman kung umabot ng 100,000 yung nilagay niyo doon, di ba? Or 50,000, 20,000, pera pa rin yun. Kaya naman regarding this BDO cash card, guys, dati siyang BDO cash card. Ngayon, transitioning siya into BDO Pay card. Ganun yung, ngayon, parang panibagong feature niya. Since ito ay dating-dati pa kasi itong cash card na to. So ngayon, alam mo naman si BDOS, parang binabago nila sa katagalan, pabago-bago kapag nag-a-adapt sila sa sistema. Kaya naman, yung cash card is pinapalitan niya into pay card na ngayon. Na pwede siyang i-apply via BDO Pay application. Ganon siya, guys. So, ngayon yung features nito is pwede rin kayo makabili sa stores, alam mo yun, like debit card, but it requires PIN. Kaya naman kapag nag-set up kayo nito, kapag nag-change PIN kayo, kapag kumuha kayo nito, make sure lang, guys, na wag niyong kakalimutan yung PIN na ninominate ninyo. Kasi, hindi nyo na magagamit to. So, magpapa-replace kayo, which is another payment naman. Around 150 pesos yung maging replacement nito. Depende siya. Paiba-iba kasi yung maging pricing niya. So, maybe ngayon 150, on the other year, on the third year, ganyan, mas tataas siya. So, I think that's all for now. So, sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!